Welcome to Team Model Smarter Classroom. This video clip will introduce you one-to-one Smarter Classroom. So in a one-to-one Smarter Classroom, you'll have a teacher computer with HiTeach installed, and you'll have one tablet for each student. In each tablet, you should download HiLearning. So we'll show you how to download HiLearning. If you're using an iOS, please go to the App Store. If you're using an Android, please go to Google Play. Now let's go to Google Play, search HiLearning, and then the search result should be the first one should be the one we're looking for, HiLearning 2 with a 2 in the bottom right corner. And let's install it, and please accept. In a few seconds it should be installed, and once it's installed, please open it. Make sure your tablet is under the same Wi-Fi network as your HiTeach. Okay, now it will ask you to select a workbook. We can choose anyone. Let's select this one and then hit the circle. Now we are ready to connect our HiLearning to our HiTeach. So this is what we're going to do. Let's hit Hi in the top right corner, and then the second button. You can either type in the IP or you can scan the QR code. Now let's go to HiTeach to look for the IP and the QR code. There are two places where you can find the IP. So you can go to the information and control panel, and here's the IP, and this is the verification code, is also the PIN code. Here's another place you can find them. Hit this button in the HiLearning interactive toolbar, and then go to this down arrow icon. Now on the right hand side you'll see the QR code, and on the left hand side you can find the IP and the PIN code. Now let's get back to HiLearning. So when we are connecting HiLearning to HiTeach, we can of course type in the IP, but today we're showing you how to scan the QR code instead of doing it manually. Hit the QR code, scan the QR code in HiTeach, and then here you have to select a member of the class. Now we are going to select number 6 in group 2 and hit the check. Since each tablet is for each student, we have to select one student name for each tablet. And after the student is logged in, you can see the information of the number of the students in this class, and then the name of the student, and then the group the student is on. Okay, now with HiLearning, in a one-to-one Smarter Classroom, what we can do is the students don't have to hold the IRS. Instead, we can ask a question, a pop quiz question, and on the tablet there should be a visual IRS for the students, and then we can select any number. And in HiTeach, you can see 2 students have answered. Okay, and another thing we can do with one-to-one Smarter Classroom is we can do differentiated push to whichever student we like. So let's go to this page. Now I have prepared a group of words in blue and another group of words in red. So what I'm going to do is to go to the HiLearning interactive toolbar, hit this button, and then because I want to do differentiated push, here's what I can do. I can hit this one. So this tablet is not for number 3, so I'm going to select number 3 first, and then the blue one first. So I'm going to push the blue one to number 3, hit push. In a few seconds, you'll see the student getting the blue one. Now I'm going to deselect number 3 and then select number 6. As you can see, they are shown in green because they're connected. Their device is connected to HiTeach. And deselect the blue one and then select the red one. And I'm going to push this red one to number 6. As you can see, we have done this differentiated push in the One-to-One Smarter Classroom. So, find this video clip helpful? Hit like. If you'd like to learn more about HiTeach, go to Hoblock EDU.